Okay, today is Wednesday. Remember, we're starting with rhyme production. That means you're producing rhymes to go with my rhymes that we're saying. I'm going to say it, you repeat those two words, and then come up with some words of your own that rhyme. Remember, they can be nonsense words, okay? Let's try it. Beat, feet. Maybe you said neat, wheat, seat. All of those work. Ride, side. Hide, tide, wide. All right. Look, took. Hook. I'm thinking book. Book is a good one. All right. Last one. Race, space. Ace, face, mace. Okay, let's go on to onset fluency. Remember, I'm going to say the words. You repeat the words. Give me a thumbs up if they begin with the same sound. Thumbs down if they both do not begin with the same sound. Gap, hide. No, they begin differently. Effort, every. It's a tough one, but they begin with e. Meet, wait. No, they do not begin the same. Write, read. Yep, they both begin with r. Actor, adding. Good. And sometimes you can look at my mouth and that gives you a hint, because look at actor, adding. My mouth starts the same on both of those words. Okay, we're going to blend. I'll blend the word first, then it's your turn to blend. You copy me. Okay? Top, top. Got, got. Mop, mop. Dot, dot. Hot, hot. Okay, good job. Now we're going to isolate that medial sound, the middle sound, okay? Watch what sound I'm saying when my hand's up high. I'll come up, and that's your turn to say the sound. Then I'll say it. Make sure you got it right. At, a, g, et, f, it, ok, b, ug, Okay, we're segmenting. Get those choppers out. I'll do it first, then you copy me, okay? Hit, it. Rim, im. Sit, it. Kid, id. Hid, id. All right, very good. We're going to add a phoneme to the beginning and blend it together. When I put my hands together, you say the whole word, okay? We're starting with at, add h to the beginning to make hat. We're starting with an, add k to the beginning to make can. We're starting with ag, add b to the beginning to make bag. We're starting with app, add k to the beginning to make cap. We're starting with an, add f to the beginning to make fan. Good. Now we're going to delete that phoneme at the beginning. We have the word pot without pa. What's left? Ought. We have the word box without ba. What's left? Ox. We have the word hop without h. What's left? Op. We have the word got without g. What's left? Ought. We have the word Tom without t. What's left? On. Good. All right, last one where we substitute. Substitute means I take that one away, change it with another sound. Okay, we have the word fun. Change f to b, and what's the word? Bun. We have the word bun. Change b to s, and what's the word? Sun. We have the word sun. Change s to and what's the word? Run. We have the word run. Change to n, and what's the word? None. We have the word none. Change n to f, and what's the word? Fun. We're back to fun. Okay, and we started with a new rhyme this week called Jack be nimble. I'll say a line, you repeat after me. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. All right, we'll learn more tomorrow. See you then.